Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your reputation with Yelp, full guide step by step clearly. Creating a strong reputation on Yelp can significantly impact your business. First, claim your Yelp business page. Visit the Yelp for Business Owners website and search for your business name. If your business is listed, select it and follow the prompts to claim the page. If it's not listed, you'll need to create a new business page. Next, optimize your business profile. Ensure all information is accurate, including your business hours, contact details, and address. Add high-quality photos that showcase your products or services. A well-structured and appealing page attracts more customers. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews. Ask for reviews in person, via email, or through social media. Consider offering incentives for leaving a review, without violating Yelp's guidelines. Respond to reviews promptly, both positive and negative. Thank customers for positive feedback to reinforce their loyalty. For negative reviews, address the concerns professionally and offer solutions if possible. Use the private messaging feature to resolve issues offline when appropriate. Monitor your Yelp page regularly. Keep an eye on new reviews and customer interactions. This allows you to stay informed and respond quickly. Use Yelp's tools to promote your business. Consider utilizing Yelp ads to increase visibility. Look into Yelp deals or check-in offers to attract new customers. Analyze the insights Yelp provides about your page's performance. This data can help you understand customer interactions and trends. Lastly, maintain consistency across all review platforms. Your online reputation can be affected by reviews on multiple sites. By following these steps, you will effectively protect and enhance your reputation on Yelp. A strong online presence can lead to increased customer trust and business growth. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.